Ka National People Youth Fund ringkat ka Jingatrilang bat ka NPP Women's Wing na Shillong North Constituency hene kasingi kalapin kop buram ya sangut ki Samla ki balapas bah ka exam secondary school leaving certificate bat ru ka high secondary school leaving certificate. Kita ki kentup ya arngut na ka SSLC bat arngut na ka HSSLC. Naka SSLC ki bayo ya kate kajing kop buram ki long utanusir acharji ubawan haga kardan balai bat ka Isabel Maulong haga kardan bashpau haga top 20. Henry haga thup HSSLC ki basha kop buram ki kentup ya Rishabh Purkayastha bawan ningkong haga commerce kat ba usang ma Paul haga kardan ka bapra haga science stream. Shwaban kop buram la yo ru ya kajing kren kentu kan pham no president ke NPP Shillong North uba ransom sutenga obalapan pau ba kajing kop buram ya kitik Samla kalong ban penslur ya ki bikin nang la ban le khambha ha ki exam ki bandang wan.
Seminar on the theme Be the Agent of Change. Now, 17 North Shillong Constituency Legislative Assembly, we lost. But it does not, sustain us or, keep us back to move forward. Rather, it keep us more united. Today I can see different delegates, different representatives from different units coming to this very important program. Leadership program, and I am very, very happy that we can come like in this manner and be together again. Now, to be the agent of change means to accelerate good things in the family, in the society. Now, God created each one of us in His image, and we are unique. I am different from Professor Donwal. He is different from me. The things I can do, he cannot do. The things he can do, I cannot do. We are different, but we are unique. And each one of us, we are called to be the agent of change. And I believe each one of us are responsible to be the agent of change. And the only purpose we exist is to be the agent of change for our family, for our society, and so on. And today, I am also very happy. In my constituency, in our constituency, 17 North Shillong, very, very happy. Why? Because today, we have few friends who have made our constituency very, very proud. And that's why, today we have kept one part of the program, to present the Academic Excellence Award, especially for SSLC candidates and also for HSSLC candidates. And today we are privileged to have in our midst 3 of them. Though one of them now he is in Pune, he will not be able to attend. We have Tanushree. Please stand up wherever you are. Shall we give her a big kind of applause? Tanushree scored 3rd position in SSLC examination 2023. Thank you so much, Tanushree. We'll call you later here on stage. And also we have Isabella Maulong. Isabella scored 10th position. Thank you, Isabella. We'll call you later. And we also have, in HSSLC, we have Rishabh Purkayastha. Rishabh, please stand up wherever you are. We have Rishabh. He scored 1st and first in higher secondary school living certificate. Thank you, Rishabh. God bless you. We also have Sangam. But Sangam is now in Pune. He scored 7th position in HSSLC science. Okay? So, these friends made our 17 North Shillong very, very proud. Very, very proud. Shall we give them one applause. And today, you are in our midst. Rishabh, Dhanushri, Isabella, you are in our midst. And one day, you will make more, each one of us proud. Okay? Now you are in class 10. You will be going to class 11. I know you will do it better. Okay? Now Rishabh, you are in class 12. Okay? You will join, become. You will make us more proud. Alright? I remember, when Rishabh passed his class 10, I visited his home one evening. I talked to him. He scored first division, no Rishabh, in matric. So I challenged him. I said, Rishabh, you are able to do better. And when the result came, he got first and first. It's amazing. It's amazing. And we are the agent of change. We are the agent of change. And the 17 North Shillong constituency, it's called to be the brain of the state of Meghalaya. And I believe, next 5 years from now, we will produce more people who will bring laureate to this constituency, 17 North Shillong. Okay, and today I'm also very happy to have Lynette. Lynette, she's our friend, and day before yesterday we had a meeting in Vivanta, and we were so blessed with that meeting. And today she will be here, and she will take the sessions on the leadership, be the agent of change, and I hope we will all be blessed through your session. Thank you so much. And we also have Chef Tenzing. Thank you so much, Tenzing. And Chef Tenzing, he is from originally almost born and brought up here in Shillong.